Hello, I'm Karabo and I am the brand ambassador here at Get Staffed Up. In this video, I'll be giving you some tips on how to master the art of delegation. I'm sure we've heard some people speak of delegation, but one is never really certain on what tasks to delegate. Here's a simple guide. Step number 1. Write down every little thing that you do from the morning. If this seems like a lot, get someone to shadow you and do this for you for a week, especially if you are serious about your growth. Step number 2. At the end of the week, take the list and highlight number 1, all the tasks you do not like doing, number 2, all the tasks that do not make you money, and thirdly, all the tasks that are hindering your actual business. For instance, emails. This is a serious time killer, and if possible, get an assistant to filter them for you according to importance. These steps will help you to distinguish what tasks can and should be delegated, and that will help you boost your productivity. Remember, start your journey to freedom today.